If you want to use voice typing on Nothing Phone 3, then first of all, we need to go to settings as we're gonna check if voice typing is enabled. Scroll all the way down and go to System, then go to Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and then select the Gboard as this is the default keyboard that we use on this phone. Next, we're gonna go to voice typing over here, and we can make sure that it is enabled. You can also toggle faster voice typing if you want to. Now that we made sure that voice typing is enabled, we can open our keyboard. And if you want to start using voice typing, you need to tap on this microphone icon that we have on the right side. If you tap over here for the first time, you will need to grant the permission. In my case, I have to unblock the microphone access. You will need to grant permission, and there we go. So now whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into the text. And you can tap on the microphone again in order to disable it in case it doesn't automatically turn off once you end your sentence. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.